Hello and welcome to the Kiyomi M698 4D tablet remote tutorial. Today I am going to walk you through the ins and outs of the Kiyomi tablet to better understand how to use it to get the most out of your massage chair. This video is going to be split into 4 different parts: tablet remote layout and functions, personalizing an auto program, building and saving a manual program, and pairing Bluetooth devices. Let's begin by turning on a tablet remote by pressing and holding the power button located on the right edge of the tablet. This will boot up the tablet remote. Once fully booted, a yellow warning screen will appear. Please read it thoroughly, and when finished, tap the red "Tap here to confirm" button to continue. To the left of the home screen is auto mode. When tapping auto mode, this brings up 24 auto programs you can use with the tap of a button. The programs are grouped into 4 categories to help you find the best suited massage to your needs. To move between categories, tap the category icon tabs. There is full body, which offers a selection of programs oriented towards full body massages. Therapy, with auto programs built for a comprehensive therapeutic massage experience suited to different activities. Recovery, a more focused massage experience tailored to recovering of the body. And focused, with a set of programs that are more focused massages tailored to different regions of the body. We recommend trying each one out and seeing which one feels best for you. To return to the home screen, tap the home icon in the lower left corner of the screen. This home icon will always return you to the home screen on any screen that it is found. To the right of auto mode is manual mode. Once selected, this will bring you to another display where the full manual control settings are located. Each of these settings allows you to customize your massage to your liking. We will return to this screen later in part 2 of this video. To return to the home screen again, tap the back icon at the bottom of the screen. The back icon will always take you back to the previous screen you were on. On the home screen, let's go to Air Massage. In Air Massage, here you can personalize your compression massage by turning on the airbag compression region you desire. There are 5 different options: full body, arm and hand, leg and foot, upper body, and shoulder. Note, you can select and deselect more than one option. However, when you select full body, this will override all individual options. Once you have chosen an air region, next you can adjust the air intensity of the air massage. Here you will find 5 different levels, 1 through 5. Use the air intensity minus and air intensity plus buttons to change the setting. The higher the number, the more force the airbags will apply. If you decide you want the airbags off, simply deselect the air setting option you've selected previously. Returning to the home screen, let's tap on Favorite. In Favorite, you can access a custom massage program created and saved using the manual controls in the manual settings display, or after personalizing an auto program. We will go over creating and customizing a program in step 3 of this video. You can store up to 6 different favorite programs and access them whenever you want. To run a favorite program, tap on a desired program slot. Each time you save a custom favorite program, a new favorite slot will be written. Once all 6 slots are used, you must delete an existing program to save a new custom favorite program. To delete a program, tap on the X icon in the corner of the program you want to remove. Now let's go over the remaining buttons in the quick access bar. At the bottom center is the power button. If you tap the power button, this will stop the massage and reset the chair entirely. Next is the pause button. To stop or pause a massage, simply tap this pause button. To continue, just re-tap to resume your massage. The last button on the quick access bar is Settings. Here you can adjust and personalize your chair and tablet remote settings. There are 3 tabs, each with its own options. First is the Sleep Mode tab. Use this tab to toggle sleep mode on or off. When sleep mode is on, the chair will stop in the recline position after any program. When sleep mode is off, the chair will return to an upright position after each auto program. Next is Language. This chair has 4 different language settings to choose from: English, Spanish, Korean, and Chinese. The last tab is Others. Here you will see 6 different options: beep volume, AI voice, voice list, brightness, Bluetooth, ionizer, and LED light. Beep volume controls the loudness of the beep sound your tablet makes each time you make a selection. 1 is low, and 5 is loud. Select Off to turn the beep sounds off completely. Next is AI Voice. Select this option to activate the intelligent voice command and control and turn on active voice listening. This feature allows you to control your chair and massage experience completely hands-free. Once activated, simply say, "Hey Kyota" or "Hi Kyota." After the chair responds, you may use any of the available voice commands itemized under the Voice Commands List button. Tap the Voice Commands List button to bring up this list. Note: AI voice volume can be controlled by the plus and minus volume buttons, located on the right side edge of the tablet, just below the power button. AI voice listening will continue, even if the chair is powered down, so long as the main power switch on the chair is in the on position. Brightness controls the tablet remote screen's illumination, 1 being low and 5 being bright. Next option is Bluetooth. Here you can toggle Bluetooth on or off. To pair your Android or Apple device, we'll be going over this in part 4 of this video. Below that is Ionizer. Toggle your chair's ionizer to either on or off. The last setting is LED light. Here you can turn on or off the down-firing LED lights on the outside of the chair. Now let's personalize and take control of some of the features within an auto program. Return to the home screen and select Auto. For this example, we're going to pick Relax. Once you have selected Relax, the chair will do a TrueFit body scan. After a massage program is selected, you'll be taken to the body scanning screen to ensure an accurate massage that fits your body. Once a beeping countdown starts, here you can use the arrows to adjust the back mechanisms up or down to match your specific shoulder height. After the beeping timer has elapsed, your massage will start. After adjusting your shoulder height, you'll be taken to the in-use screen where you can observe all the current settings and session information. At the top of the screen are the quick navigation buttons: Manual, Air, Favorite, and Auto. Each correspond to the main menu screen buttons we went over earlier, and when tapped, will quickly navigate you to those screens. To the right of the quick navigation buttons is the volume indicator, which corresponds to the loudness or volume setting of AI voice we went over earlier. Next icon indicates if Bluetooth is enabled in your chair. In the right corner of the screen is the massage timer and timer controls. Tap the plus and minus buttons to change your desired massage time length. 15 minutes is the default setting. The massage chair will turn off automatically and reset after the timer is up. The figure in the center of the screen shows a visual representation of the program that is currently running. The red dot indicates a current position of the massage mechanism along the massage track. The blue highlights on the figure's body show which airbags are actively compressing, and the red highlights indicate if the heat setting is on or off. Around the figure are the position adjustment buttons that you can use to change the chair angles while the chair is running. The backrest, footrest, and foot extension adjustments will assist you to fine-tune the length and fit of specific parts of your chair. Tap and hold the screen to adjust any of these settings. When holding down the backrest adjustment buttons, this will allow you to recline or bring the chair to an upright position. You can adjust the footrest just the same. This allows the chair's footrest to rise or lower. Next is the footrest in and footrest out adjustment buttons. When holding down the footrest adjustment buttons, this allows you to extend or retract the footrests. Below the quick navigation buttons, you can find the name of the massage program that is currently running. Below the name, you will see the 4D strength setting along with plus and minus buttons. Use this control to increase or decrease the maximum intensity of the 4D back mechanism that works the back and shoulder regions. All auto massages are pre-programmed to have varying 4D intensity. This setting will set the upper limit of these fluctuations, 1 being lightest and 6 being most intense. Below the 4D setting is speed. This control is only available during a manual massage program, which we'll go over shortly. To the right of speed is foot roller adjustment. Use this to control the dual sole reflexology rollers and choose your desired foot roller speed, 1 being slow and 2 and 3 being fast for a more intense massage. Or select off to deactivate the foot rollers. Next is zero gravity recline. Zero gravity elevates your feet up over your heart to improve overall circulation and reduces gravitational force on your spine for a sense of weightlessness. 01 will recline the chair back into a slight recline. 02 will put the chair into a standard recline, and 03 will recline the chair into complete weightless zero gravity recline. To the right of the figure is lumbar and foot region heat control. Tap this once to turn on heat in both regions. Tap again to cycle through the other heat settings, 1 being low and 2 and 3 being high. Tap again to turn off heat. To adjust the air massage intensity of an auto program, tap the Air Quick Navigation button, then use the plus and minus buttons under Air Intensity. Like with 4D Intensity, all auto massages are pre-programmed to have varying levels of airbag intensity. This setting will set the upper limit of these fluctuations. Select 1 for lightest and 5 for firmest massage. When you're done finalizing your auto program, you have the option to save it by tapping the Favorite button located to the left of the figure. A new memory slot will be written with your personalized program, which you can run later by accessing the Favorite screen we went over earlier. Note, at least 1 empty Favorite slot must be available in order to save your personalized program. If no slots are available, you must first delete a pre-existing program, then return and tap Favorite again. A memory full message will appear once all program slots have been filled. Now let's explore manual settings. Tap Manual from the quick navigation buttons. Here we get to create your own massage sequence by layering selections to build your own program, which then can be saved within favorites. Note, your first selection on this screen will start your massage. Let's begin building your program. Starting at the top left, we have 6 different massage techniques that this chair offers. There is kneading, tapping and kneading, tapping, clapping, knocking, and shiatsu. Try each one of them to see which one you enjoy the most. For this example, we are going to choose knocking. Let's also choose a 4D strength of 2. Next, select the massage speed in the speed control setting. Use this control to increase or decrease the speed of the back mechanism, 1 being slow and 2 and 3 being fast. Select one for a slow massage. Now with the type of massage selected, let's make a massage area selection. Choose an area you would like the massage mechanism to focus on. There is whole, partial, and point. Whole travels the entire length of the track. Partial travels a short distance and reverses direction for focused relief. And point stops on the track for targeted relief. Let's choose partial. Once chosen, use the up and down arrows to the right of the figure to adjust the back rollers along the L track. To change the width of the back rollers, you have 3 different options to choose from: wide, medium, and narrow. Let's select medium width. Note, width cannot be adjusted when in kneading or tapping and kneading techniques. Let's also change our massage time to 30 minutes. On to the air settings. Tap air, then select arm and hand, leg and foot, and upper body. This will start the air compression massage in these 3 different regions. Now let's choose an air intensity level of 4. This will really help with releasing that tension throughout the body. Let's also choose 1 for foot roller speed and level 2 for lumbar and feet heat. Now that we have built our own custom massage, let's save it in our favorite programs. Tap the Favorite button. Congrats! You have now saved your very own massage, and you can utilize it at any time by returning to the Favorite program screen. Now let's pair your phone to the chair so you can play your favorite songs, audiobooks, podcasts, and more through the chair's Bluetooth speakers. Make sure the Bluetooth is enabled in the settings menu on the Kiyomi M698 tablet remote. Now make sure you have Bluetooth enabled on your Bluetooth device. If Bluetooth is already on, your device will automatically detect the Bluetooth enabled massage chair around you. Select Kiyomi in the Available Devices section of your Bluetooth settings and ensure that the connection went through. Now you should be connected to the chair speakers and you are ready to enjoy your favorite music. Now that you understand the settings, layout, and functions of the remote control tablet, you can now fully enjoy your Kiyomi M698 4D massage chair and truly maximize your massages. Kyota, the world's most advanced massage chairs.